Start your day right with the most important meal of the day. Let's cook this classic and hearty one-pan breakfast. Heat the pan and add a tablespoon of olive oil. Then add the sausages to the pan. Cook the sausage for 5 minutes, turning them often until they are slightly browned before adding the bacon strip to the pan. Let the bacon cook slightly for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn the bacon and add some baked beans and hash brown to the pan. Create a small well in the pan and crack the eggs into them. Now add some tomatoes and allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. And there you have it. A hearty and satisfying one-pan breakfast. Don't forget to season everything with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Please like and follow for more of this content.